Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Today you will see in this video, lovely viewer, you will see in this videos modern and stylish bob haircuts ideas. Fabulous and attractive, you will see unique, modern bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. You will see in this videos unique, different modern bob haircuts design. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, stylish bob haircuts ideas. So you will see bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts. You will see unique, different bob haircuts ideas in 2024. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new modern bob haircuts designs, long layers and short hair, unique bob with bangs haircuts ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish, unique bob haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish bob haircuts designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video. So you will see attractive bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. So take care friends.